Are these lights gonna be on the whole entire interview?
They shouldn't. Why?
Yeah, my eyes are just sore. I was up all late last night looking for ideas to steal.
Alrighty then.
Are these mics open?
All right, let's get it going. Well, would you get off your flippin' phone, man? We're about to go on. Jesus, tap dancing Christ, this asshole.
Okay, did I do something to say something like?
Hello, welcome to another episode of Between Two Floodlights. I'm your host, Zach Galifianakis, and today my guest is Hollywood's biggest headache, Shia LaBeouf.
It's Shia. And
So,
what was that?
I saw your documentary.
Yeah, it's supposed to represent the ideas.
I did not like it. It was shit, and you know, my buddy actually had to explain to me who he was. What kind of artsy bullshit was that?
It's pretty self-explanatory if you're not a fucking idiot.
It's pretty self-explanatory, you're a pretentious asshole. But anyway, Shia, did you get to swing from the vines with those CGI monkeys?
Did you really just ask me that? It's CGI.
Yeah, I know. It just looks so real. I'd like to introduce a new segment to my show where I draw on a paper bag with my guest. Psych. Actually, I already made your bag, Shia. Why don't you go ahead and flip this bad boy on?
I fucking hate you.
There we go. That is just perfect. Well, I suppose it's time for our sponsors now. Shia, if you could just stand up and go stand over there for me. Don't forget the product.
Do I have to do it?
No,
Like this?
idiot. Hold it like this so everyone can see. Now go over there. Perfect.
Just do it!
I was like...